This 3D printer isn't just laying ingredients of a multi-layered triangular cookie. It's cooking it at the same time with a level of precision and speed that cannot be delivered by current methods. If Hod Lipson, a robotics professor at Columbia University, has his way, tech like this could change not just how you cook, but how food is packaged, presented and prepared from the farm to the table.
You know, when I talk to people, I often find that people's reaction often depends on their generation. Some people will think, okay, it's a really bad idea. I want to do everything manually, the old-fashioned way. But then you have younger generations for which it seems very natural that you'll cook with software.
For the moment, 3D printed food is limited to anything that can fit through a nozzle, which limits it to fluids and semi-solids like, say, pounded yam if you're in West Africa, or chocolate sauce. Because 3D printing works by adding successive layers of material, part of the challenge is trying to figure out the right structures and shapes to produce consistently well-done food at the right temperature and texture.
We've been developing 3D food printing technology for about a decade. We started in 2005 playing around with printing chocolate and cookie dough and simple ingredients like that. We explored also food science ingredients that are sort of more, that allow you to control texture in a more sort of sophisticated way.
To test out their ideas in the real world, Professor Lipson and his students reached out to the International Culinary Center in New York. Here, 3D printers, food ingredients, and laptops run side by side. But have the professional chefs been won over by these new ideas?
My only kind of concern, as a chef, where I'm kind of step back on it, it's the changing of the connective tissue, the texture, because at the end you're puring everything. So it was kind of like, I don't know. When we did it, it was, we tested. It's definitely a work in progress, and you need, I believe, years to be able to create interesting recipe. Is it something I will see in a restaurant, in professional world? I don't think so. I don't think so that's their goal. They're looking more for home.
Clearly then, there's still quite a bit of work to be done. Nonetheless, this team has already created a prototype which will hold various cartridges with different ingredients ready to be mixed, layered and cooked as desired. In the same way that 3D printing has made manufacturing much more flexible and customizable, perhaps the exact same revolution may be coming to a kitchen near you. Ramanyang, CGTN.